In a previous headings, we had learned about what are the various physical education courses available in our country, and we are having a revision of chapter number 1. In that we have various number of headings, and one of them is courses related to physical education courses, as we have many courses and subject in other languages or other subject like maths, science, and various other subjects that we have. Now we have career option in physical education. Nowadays you are observing, due to COVID-19, that why physical education is very important. To be physically fit is very important. To know more about ourselves and how we can become fit, there is a need of physical education. There is a very vast career in physical education because it is directly related to our body. Not only physical education is giving you a perfect or a good personality, but it creates a whole development of your characters also. And we have career option in physical education is that teaching career in physical education. As I am teaching you of physical education in a theory form. I am teaching you as a teacher. I am teaching about physical education. Physical education has traditionally been considered a professional field appropriate only for those interested in teaching career. This is one of the fine professional field. The teacher's career offers many rewards to the teachers, whether they are engaged in elementary school in low classes, middle 6 to 8, high schools and senior secondary level. Just from class 1st to 12, there is a need of physical education. Our physical educations are teaching you various things related to physical education. In teaching career, there is a better job security. Teaching opportunities in the field of physical education at different level are as follows. There are many different careers and they have very different branches also related to physical education. In elementary school, that is kid zone 2 to 5 years, it has been recognized that physical education is a must in elementary school. Why it is must? Because they are learning many things. Basic skill and attitude can be learned well in this period. Basic skills and attitudes are related to your personality developments, character building habits in elementary school. This is the main backbone for the growing child, and it is a very compulsory subject or a physical education for a kids. They are growing in a middle school. It is must because in such a school there is a separate syllabus for 6th to class 8th. Now we are in a subject. In government middle school there are rare opportunities of employment for physical education teachers, but now we are having many physical education teachers. In high school, from 9 to 10th, senior secondary school, that is 12th, that the age of 16 or 17, It is a common practice through the country to engage special teacher of physical education in senior school. In some school, lecturers in physical education are appointed to teach theory. That means physical education as a subject now I am teaching to you, and much more in college and universities. We are having a physical education teacher, those who are qualified, and you know the bachelor's degree and master degrees are very important to teach physical education as a subject. Coaching career in physical education. We have various coaches of different sports and games like volleyball is a team game, and there is a need of specialized volleyball coach. So from where volleyball coach will come? It will come from physical education if he has a knowledge of games and sports and completed his bachelor's degree or National Institute of Sports NIS he has done. Coaching career is also a traditional career in the field of physical education. Why we are saying traditional? Because past from a long years it has been moving. Some of the best players at their later age they become coaches. There are number of jobs opportunities for coaches as in the field of teaching. Many coaches want a dual career as a teacher and coach, whereas others desire slowly to coach. Opportunities to coach exist in both the school and non-settings. Non-settings when we are having different out of the schools. Suppose we are having a cricket coaching camps, then there is a need of cricket coach. Health related careers nowadays it is very important at your surroundings. You are looking that we are aware of our health. In this, the very first and significant area under health career is health and weight control clubs. We are having weight control clubs, health clubs. Even nowadays, we are having a good equipped gyms also, where you can see a trainer or a coach. You can train in a various ways and tell you about the growth of muscles and what type of training you need. Administration related career. Owing to increased sports participation and sports related business, there is a need for individuals trained in sports management. Now, administration related career opportunities are available in various fields such as sports administration, management of sports, clubs and facilities, sports marketing and promotion, department of physical education, that is in a university. There are many universities and college in school where course of physical education is being taught even in schools. Sports department is there. The director of sports is responsible for administration of men and women and sports and games. So there is a sports department in every universities or college. Performance related career. As a player, you can see a cricket match or a footballer as a player. He has a very good career related to performance because he is performing in a cricket. One of the best example is Virat Kohli, the Indian team captain. Career in communication media. Sports journalism is one of the best. Physical educators who have talent for writing Opt a career as a sports journalist. If you have a talent of writing something and you are related to sports or you love the sports, you can make a field in your sports journalism. Then book writing is there. Even one of the best is sports photography. You read various type of magazines and newspapers. Marketing plays an important role. Public increased interest in sports games and health fitness has stimulated the sale of sports goods because of marketing. And we even know the importance, so we buy sports shoes, sports t-shirts. That all comes under sports marketing. Many career option has been discussed in this chapter, but still there are many careers in the field of physical education which can be created. As a matter of fact, career opportunities in the field of physical education are limited only by one imagination. But there are many careers and vast career in the field of physical education also. Soft skill required for different careers. We are talking about skills related to our communication, related to our leadership skills, related to effective management skill, not a games and sports skill we are talking about. We are not talking about games and sports skill. There are many students they confused and write about sports skills. Here we are talking about soft skill required for different careers, that is communication skill. How you communicate with the others, how you talk, and teamwork when you are selected, how you do your work. Leadership skill is one of the important. The ability to lead a team effectively is based on a number of key skills, and these are the key skill: teamwork, effective problem solving skill, effective leadership. If you had a leadership skill, you can do one of the best, that you can manage your team and lead forward. Skill related to stress management also. Effective control over emotions. These are the soft skill, how we can control our emotions also. Effective preference and persistence. The soft skills are significant for the success of our career. It is very, very important for the success of our career. These skills maintain the same energy and education in our effort to learn, do and achieve in our career in spite difficulty as well as failures. So this is now is the revision has been complete of chapter number 5. I had given you some of the questions. Hope you had done. I will give you some more, and try to write and type in your laptops or whatever facilities you are having at home. Try to type it down and try to give proper answer. Maximum answer should be about 60 to 50 or 80 words. A long answer type question I am saying. There are MCQs and short answer type question. Go through it, read it and write your question well.